Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Ned from Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am. I am from the internet, and from the internet basement. Today, we have found a very old piece of ephemera. Kodak Countdown 70 from, I believe this one's from 1972, and this one is super cool. Super not new. It comes with instant Polaroids. Yeah, I hear you saying it. What do you mean Polaroids? Polaroids on a Kodak? Yeah, these things can do their own images and stuff. And here's the charge cube. Now, many of you know that back in the day, you only got so many flashes out of these suckers and it stopped working. Yeah, these older ones weren't too good in the inside. You had to have a lot of light. So I'm sure that these go into here. Of course, we have the back of the camera, the lens. No, that's where it went. It has a very specific battery. It has to be Eveready. Wow, that sucks. Why? Why couldn't you just... Was there really no other battery you could use? I hate it when they go for really specific things. Sorry, gotta nerf the negativity. How do I get this thing off with one hand? Pulling it downwards, much easier than I thought. Okay, we got some lovely notes in here. Flash, picture guide. Yeah, you really gotta make sure you're doing this stuff right. I'll tell you what, Bobby. Back in the day, you could easily screw up photos. Man, I managed to screw up photos in the 90s, right, Adam? Oh, he was so mad at me. I got this one picture of him and his girlfriend and his friends at this place in Paris, and for some reason, it didn't turn out. Oh, he hated me forever because of that. But he loves me. He's my friend. That's okay. Anyways, here we go. The Polaroid Countdown 50. You think this is cool? Check this out. Come on. Come on. Wait, no, that's not. 1 second. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? Ah, yeah, me gusta. Oh, yeah, we all like the looks of that. Oh, show it off, girl. Show it off. You're large and in charge. Swing it, shake it, move it, make it. That's what the ladies like. Let me lock it in there. That is beautiful. Show us your nose cone, baby. There's just something frickin' beautiful about these old cameras. Now, this is moving into the time when it got a lot easier to use cameras, but that is not to say that it was easy by any point. I really wanted to put it up on my tech shelf, but once again, the Historical Society asked for it, and I think it's better in a museum than it is on my shelf. What do you think, Elvis? Lord almighty, Nevin. Gotta feel the finger licking good. Mr. Barrett, get a picture of me, please. Hey, Dad, this thing takes instant pictures, eh? It'd be cool if I could take a flash with it, but it has a stupid battery. Like, legitimately. I get to rage about that. And also be jealous about the size. Jeez, that thing's huge. I've never seen a camera that takes something like that before. This is the first one just like this. I bet it takes beautiful pictures, but I kind of don't want to ruin the film. By the way, those are frames to ancient antique frames. There was a framing shop uptown. It closed down, antique store took over. And that's what they look like when we're all together. And this is what the camera looks like. It's from the 70s. Fool, like and subscribe.